Namaskar, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. I am Jayant Ray of Sangeet Foundation of the UK. Today we have another fabulous program which we are coming up with, and especially for all the people, the youngsters in India, in New Delhi. We have a fabulous performer today, and I don't need to talk about the performer because this is a fabulous person who has gone through a fabulous journey as well through music, has been rocking India. So you would know who I'm talking about. But before we get into that, a little bit about Sangeet Foundation. Sangeet Foundation believes in happiness through music and the arts. And I hope you get some happiness out of today's music, fabulous music as well. And Sangeet Foundation is about creating awareness about mental health. It's a very serious issue, and about using music and the arts, including the performing arts, as a therapy for mental health, and to address it, as well as to talk about mental health as well. And in this journey, we have been partnering with various social organizations, universities, including De Montfort University, Dr. Indrani Lahiri, SOAS. We've been partnering with Dr. Sanjukta Ghosh, and we have Living Minds, where Dr. Orgo Shorkel, who's our resident consultant psychiatrist, who's been doing fabulous job with us, talking about it. We have been doing creating awareness and about creating a safe space where people can talk about mental health without being judged. So, and that is the purpose of about doing these programs. And also with this, we want to spread that awareness, and in the process get to hear and see fabulous performances in terms of music, dance, arts, performing arts. We've had worldwide, world leaders in performers in this, and fabulous all the celebrities as well. And we have a few coming up as well. Please stay tuned in Sangeet Foundation. So upcoming is Samarpita, who is the nightingale who sings Mozart in Indian classical music. Her name is Sandipta, and then we have got Usha Uthup coming up, and then we have Shekhar Suman as well, who will be talking about mental health and will be entertaining us. With that, we this time we are partnering. This is the second partnership with Drutgami Productions, and Drutgami Productions is basically, they are a digital content and media company, and they have very experienced filmmaker with a team with different competencies, and their expertise lie in making all types of films, visualizing and executing events, and bringing in new forms of experimental marketing. So they make demo films, animation films, digital films, training films, presentation films, case studies, and so on and so forth. So you will see the fantastic work that they are doing here. And this, hopefully you will enjoy the show. With us today is Indrani Bhattacharya, who is the host for the show. She's a fabulous host. She has been hosting with Sangeet Foundation, an integral part of Sangeet Foundation. And you'll find out how well she hosts anyway. So I would like to hand over the stage, the virtual stage, to Indrani. Indrani.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be back on with Sangeet Foundation again. Yes, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. And I am just super excited today, super excited because I have someone who I have got to know over the last few days. And he is, as I said, I mean, he's, I think, one of the celebrities who I can say is more humble than most common men. So let me, without further ado, just welcome him and introduce him. So Akhil Sachdeva, the most revered singer performer amongst Hindi music consumers today. His debut song was Sun Mere Humsafar, earned him a Zee Cine Awards for the Best Playback Singer Male in 2017 and a nomination in the prestigious Filmfare Award for the Best Playback Singer Male. And of course, he has the Best Music Album as well. Akhil's journey started in the year 2010 with his band Nasha, who pioneered the Sufi rock genre in India. Not only is he an enigmatic singer, but he's best known for his stage antics and a vibrant live persona. He has branded Nasha as one of the most prominent live Sufi Bollywood acts. He garnered many massive eyeballs with his medley of O Sajna, from Broken but Beautiful, uh, uh, Rondi Akhia for Dil Hi Tu Hai, and of course Dua Banja from It Happened in Calcutta. His latest song in 2019, Tera Ban Jaunga from the movie Kabir, has not only won the nation heart but also won him the Star Screen Award, Filmfare, Mirchi Music Awards, Zee Cine Awards. Oh my God, Akhil, where do you stop? I'm going on and on. First of all, welcome and thank you so much for joining us on Sangeet Foundation today, Akhil. I know you've been super busy, but thank you for taking the time out. Uh, so
Uh,
tell me,
I think I just want to say thank you to you guys when you contacted me for the same. I'm a
yeah,
little. I'll be honest to you. I'm somebody who's not too technology friendly person. I stays like it's been really. My management had to push me really hard, and my people who are close to me to go onto the social media, because that's what today's life is all about. The social media used in a right, if used in the right way. So, because I'm somebody, I come from a simple family. I just love making music. I think I'm a blessed child, and I just want to make music. And I become an artist because I want to spread love. That's my motto of life, and that's what I believe in. And when you were counting these awards, honestly, I think बहुत लोगों को बहुत अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं. मुझे भी ऊपर वाले ने इन अवार्ड से नवाजा. आई थिंक हमारे देश में कोई ऐसा अवार्ड नहीं है जो ऊपर वाले ने मुझे ना दिया, मेरे दो गानों के ऊपर ही. बट उससे भी ज्यादा आई थिंक मुझे लगता है जो लोगों का प्यार और जो लोग मेरे नेचर या मेरी इंसानियत को अच्छा मानते हैं, वो मैंने कमाया है. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय पीपल, माय पेरेंट्स upbringing for me is. And it's just amazing to that's why that's the reason I felt I should connect with you and be a part of this thing, because I think your motto is the same as what I do, what I want to do. I want to spread love. That's what my motto is, and Sangeet Foundation is all about happiness through music and performing arts. And especially in time like this, when the world is affected with corona and everything, I'm not just saying for the heck of it, because now I'll tell you, even when I knew, I'm really taking keeping myself hard and uh, really focused, but it definitely affects whatever the situation is. So it's amazing what you guys are doing, and I'm so glad I'm part of your fund this event that you guys are doing. And because the only purpose is to spread love, and that's what I'm born for. So I just
oh, brilliant. So we already have a comment which says it's been a long time since we've listened to a soulful and magical voice like Akhil Sachdev.
wow, thank
So
you,
even before you
thank you.
started. So I think without allowing or let's start with Ae Mere Humsafar. I think that's the one we
It's
all
not
know.
Sun Mere Humsafar. It's Sun Mere Humsafar, not Ae Mere Humsafar. Okay,
You know,
cool. Yeah. So I want to thank all of you. I think everyone, each and every individual throughout the world. It was my Bollywood debut, and I got I wrote this song, I composed it, and I sang it, and I got I think almost all the awards. And I want to make especially mention it here, Delhi, where I belong to. Before I got any award, Delhi gave me a Delhi Ratna Award, which was the
oh
category
wow,
made for which was the category made for the first time in 2017, and I got that award, Delhi Ka Ratna, and I'm nothing. I can't ask, like बाकी सारे awards छोटे पड़ जाते हैं.
wow,
So
brilliant.
so
That was made
yeah.
specially for you, huh?
Yeah. So
Oh, wow.
here it is, Sun Mere Humsafar, my baby, I would say, for you all. I hope you guys enjoy this. Yeah. सुन मेरे हम सफर, क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती जिधर रहूंगा बस वहीं, उम्र भर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर जितनी हंसिए मुलाकातें हैं उनसे भी प्यारी तेरी बातें हैं बातों में तेरी जो खो जाते आऊं ना होश में मैं कभी पाँव में है तेरी जिंदगी है नहीं था पता कि तुझे मान लूंगा कि तेरी गलियों में इस कदर तो आऊंगा अब हर पहर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर है सुन मेरे सुन मेरे सुन मेरे हम सफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती जिधर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर
Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, the wordings and the song by itself, I think it shook India. It shook India. I think it was a time.
Wow. Yeah. I'm so glad, and the best part is, I never knew that I could, I could be a musician. I don't come from a musical family. I think I always feel I'm a blessed child and God has that special hand on me for a reason. I've gone through a lot in my life, a lot throughout my life, and my parents as well. But I think then I know the reason. God took everything away from us since the time I was born, or since the time my brother was born, or everything, or probably God didn't give us anything what my others fellow friends were getting from their parents because they wanted to give me this. And now my parents are super happy, and I think that's what I'm a musician because I didn't choose music; music chose me. That's what I personally believe. And this all every this soulfulness and I never knew I can sing. I am singing. I was the first ever Indian Sufi rock band of the country. I started doing live shows since last 11 years, and there was no Hindi rock show band like this or an artist like this. And everybody used to say, complain about me that he's a Hindi guy. Hindi used to be taken as really, thumbs down to it. And when I started, now the whole country, and now even in Nepal or other countries also, this trend has started, which I started in the back. So I always will be thankful to God, and I'm glad. I think life is beautiful, and I thank God and I want to be this musician all my life. And I'm ready to take all the pain again in my next birth also, but make me the same musician that I am. So yeah.
Oh, beautiful. I'm sure, I mean, God has been kind and he is going to continue to, shower you with his blessings. So obviously it must have been very difficult, for a Delhi guy coming to almost a removed world from the common man, the Bombay Bollywood thing. So how was that trip? It's not a train journey from Delhi to Bombay only. There has to be more to it.
Well, honestly, I didn't know if I wanted to get into Bollywood or what to do. See, I didn't know what to do. I exactly didn't know what to do. I had to drop my college because for a lot of reasons. So I couldn't complete my studies. But there is a reason. Now I know there was a reason. I used to play cricket initially. I thought I'll play one day for India, but things didn't happen because I was going through a lot of ups and downs, and in fact, a lot of pathetic issues. I mean, my whole family was suffering. But I think this was the plan of God, and the day I decided I just want to be happy, and that's the reason I'm doing music because I want to be happy. I'm not doing it for the sake of earning money or anything, but I think God's been kind, and I gave my parents and my whole family everything that they always dreamt of through music, which I never wanted. I just wanted to be happy myself. So my reasons are very clear. My focus is very clear, and I do everything from my soul. So I never knew I can write or I can compose, and it happened. And I started writing, I started composing, but then I didn't know what to do with my music. I didn't know. I'm not a social media well-averse person or a tech-savvy person. So, but I always had one thing, that these songs, like I made this song in 2015. It came in 2017. I made it in 2014, and in fact, um, uh, I didn't know what to do. My friends were telling me, they were much into the tech savvy world, and they said you should release, you should follow a label or something. But I said no, I don't know if these things can happen. But I always felt that these songs are made for a bigger place. And you won't believe the Humsafar story. I'll just tell you the story about it. It's like a Bollywood story only. So Huma Qureshi is my friend, same school. So we've been really thick friends. And I was in Bombay for some reason, and मैंने तभी ये गाना लिखा था, compose किया था. मैंने हुमा को phone करके सुनाया हुआ generally for no reason, just as a friend कि मैंने हुमा एक I feel I've written something crazy. I've composed something crazy. She loved it. And then a month later or something, I was in Bombay, and it was an Eid ka time. So she invited me for the dinner at Eid at her place. And there were a lot of Bollywood celebrities. There was Ayushmann Khurrana, there was Bhumi. I think unki wo dam laga ke Haisha film aa rahi thi. Amit Trivedi sir was there. And then Shashank Khaitan, who's the director of Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, he was also there. I didn't know him because he just made Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya. So everybody was singing, and they all were big celebs. And I came from Delhi. Nobody knew me. And then Huma introduced me. She said, "Now meet this guy, my friend Akhil. He's a real musician." And I just sang, and I think God had that grace on me at that day itself also. And they all were in awe. And she said, "Just sing Humsafar, which you just wrote a few days back." I sang Humsafar. I finished. People were clapping. They were talking about me, and I just turned back, and Shashank, he held me from my shoulder, and he said, "Bro, I'm Shashank Khaitan. I made Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya. I've already started writing another for the same series, Dulhaniya series with Varun Dhawan and Alia, but I've just started, so it will come after 2 years at least, 2.5 years. So I want this song Humsafar, but you'll have to wait for 2 years. Are you ready?" I said, and I felt that genuinity in his words and his promise, and I gave the song right away to him. And trust me, he's such a genuine person. The day the film it took 2 years, like 2 years passed, and then the day Karan Johar or Dharma, they approved the film was approved and started to shoot. He called me himself. He said, "Bro, come on board. Let's just do Humsafar." So he kept to his promise, but that's the story for Humsafar, and I think it's meant to be there. And I was strong enough to not let let the song go to any other, any other platform or anything. Yeah, so that made my Bollywood debut, and that's been one of the biggest Bollywood debut any artist can have, because I was a composer, lyricist, and singer of the same song.
Oh, you are all in one. That's the thing. Where do people go? You're all in one. So what do we have? What do we listen to next then?
I'm sorry, what do I?
What should we listen to next from you then? Galsan?
You tell me which song. Galiyan is there, Tera Banjama is there, Galsun is there.
Galsun. Let's go with Galsun. I've got requests for Galsun.
Okay, cool. Galsung, I'll sing the original version of it, which I made. The lyrics I wrote. It's a Punjabi version, and it has a little happy and peppy side to it. So I'll just sing. I'll just sing Galsun, the Punjabi version. Cool. गल सुन जाई जा और ना सताई जा कि मेरी गलती हजूर वो हाथ थम जाई जा अखां तो पिलाई जा चढ़िया है अखां दा सरूर वो गल सुन जाई जा और ना सताई जा कि मेरी गलती हजूर ओ हाथ थम जाई जा अखां तो पिलाई जा चढ़िया है अखां दा सरूर ओ हुण मैनू होश ना कोई तेरा भी ते दोष ना कोई आई है नसीबां च तू मेरे ओ रब्बा मैनू होर ना किसी दे छड़ वेड़े गल सुन जाई जा और ना सताई जा की है मेरी गलती हजूर वो हाथ थम जाई जा अखां तो पिलाई जा चढ़िया है अखां दा सरूर ओ ਵੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੰਘਦੀ ਸੀ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਰਛਾਈਆਂ ਰੱਬ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਮੰਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਰੱਬ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਛੱਡਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਬੇਪਰਵਾਹੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਸੁਣ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚੁਣ ਲੈ ਚੱਲ ਸੰਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਦੂਰ ਉਹ ਘਰ ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਆਈ ਦੇਵਾ ਮੈਂ ਦੁਹਾਈ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਓ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੋਸ਼ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਤੇਰਾ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਦੋਸ਼ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਆਈ ਐ ਨਸੀਬਾਂ ਚ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਓ ਰੱਬਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਛੱਡ ਵੇੜੇ ਓ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਜਾਈ ਜਾ ਹੋਰ ਨਾ ਸਤਾਈ ਜਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੀ ਗਲਤੀ ਹਜ਼ੂਰ ਹੱਥ ਥੰਮ ਜਾਈ ਜਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਿਲਾਈ ਜਾ ਚੜਿਆ ਹੈ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਰੂਰ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਜਾਈ ਜਾ
Awesome, awesome, absolutely. My God, that was a peppy number. I have another question before that. I was saying all the hearts that are coming up, Akhil. I don't know how do you manage that in real life. All the women and the hearts that are popping up to the screen.
I don't know. I can't see any heart or any. I don't know. Maybe I can't see anything.
You'll see it. But there goes another one. All hearts coming up.
Oh. See, it's amazing. I personally feel that's what an artist lives for, and that's what I live for. As I said, I have a clearly. You give me 1% of love, I'm gonna give you 100%. That's what I'm hungry for love, and I'm here to give love. And I know God has blessed me with such a thing that I can give you. I can change your emotion, and that's my intention. Even if I'm meeting you for 5 minutes, I want to change your emotion. I want to touch you down somewhere, and that's a great.
Yeah, I'm going to hold you on that one, because as we were talking this morning, in Sangeet Foundation, we believe in that, that music can heal and, that music is therapeutic. And how do you feel about that? You must have had some personal journeys, where you have felt that, right?
Honestly, as I said, I'll be honest to you. Okay, so I'll just talk. I've just given you a hint of my background, but I'll just be a little bit more particular about it. So my family, we were all going through a lot of ups and downs, and especially when when in our family there is some financial issue, everything else also falls apart. So
Absolutely.
everything just started falling apart since the time I was born. But the best thing about my parents is that they gave me nothing, but they gave me love. They kept giving me and my brother, elder brother, I have a 1.5 year elder brother, Nikhil. So they gave us love, and I'm the youngest in the family. And we couldn't get anything. Like I could not. I didn't know. You won't believe. I never had the privilege to have a computer at my house, and I don't know how to operate a computer. And that's why when Apple gave me a laptop, because I performed for them, and they were so happy. They, other than my fees and everything, they gave me the laptop. It was for the next 2 years kept under my bed, inside my bed, because I didn't know what to do, and I'm so scared of using it. It's just that lately I've started using it. So I had nothing, and I was the youngest. And today, by God's grace, my parents they have everything what they dreamt of. So it's not about me that what I didn't get in my life. I think I started thinking what my parents also never had, could never had, and it's not their problem. They tried. They tried to give us everything, but it couldn't happen. But they tried, and that's what I believe in. That's what kept me happy. And now they have the best of everything in the world, and that's through music. And I'm not even a musician family. I don't come from a musical family. So music heals. I'm a living example of it in the industry. And whatever I've achieved, like my dad calls me the Shah Rukh Khan of my family, or from Delhi or whatever. It's an amazing feeling when you go. When my parents stay, they have everything now. They had nothing. We didn't even had our house. Like we stayed in all the random places that one could imagine, and now we have everything here in Delhi, Bombay, by God's grace, everything. So, and I'm the youngest, and I got the opportunity to be the eldest and take care of my whole family. On the Father's Day, my father calls me and wishes me a happy Father's Day. On the Mother's Day, my mom calls me and wishes me a happy Mother's Day. because they feel that I'm the parent. So I forgot that I also didn't get that normal childhood, but it's one in a billion gets that chance to take care of the whole family, and I'm lucky enough to do that. And I really wish, and I think that gave me an opportunity to or a feeling that that I can take, I can be responsible in everything. I want to take charge now, and it's all through music. I'm a living example of how music did not just heal me. उन्होंने पूरी फैमिली को हील किया और सब कुछ वो दिया, और हर जगह मैं खुशियां और प्यार बांट पा रहा हूँ. So it's there. So I was depressed too. I was depressed as well, but I didn't lose my focus. I always knew that, just go. I never knew I had music in me. It just came. So can you believe, like, people, they know that they have it, but they're not able to do it. I somehow feel it happens sometimes. It's a luck. Also, it's about how hard you try, but it's also because lately I've seen people want to be famous rather than they want to realize their own potential and the real calling, and they want to go for that. I knew my calling. I didn't want to be famous. Like, people tell me that you are this, you just behave like a normal guy. You don't even behave like a normal guy. You behave like a kid, and you're a celeb. And I feel I never wanted to be a celeb. I wanted to do music. Celeb came, that thing just, I never wanted to be a celeb, and I want to enjoy my life and keep giving love. That's why I'm the one who never. If people say you're that big, why don't you have millions of followers on your Instagram? I say I don't buy them. I don't want to, and I'm trying my best to gain the love of people in the as organic way as possible. And I'm trying to do organically jo kar sakte hain, but I will never buy just to show that I have achieved this much and I should have this many numbers on my numbers. Will just make me happy or make others happy, but inside me it will make me guilty all my life. What have I done? But if I'm giving love, if I'm spreading love, that's the biggest achievement, and that's rarest of people have that thing in me, have that thing in them. So music heals, and I'm the living example of that.
Oh, absolutely. My God, you really must touch chords, because one thing I must tell all the viewers is I remember the first time I spoke to you, I sent a WhatsApp message, and when you replied, you told me, and that line really stayed with me, is that if you connect with me through my soul, I am there. And I think, it was along those lines. And I have told that to literally everybody. And I've literally told that to everybody. You meet celebs, yes, I do meet a few of them, but you have really touched that part. So,
thank you.
Yes, and so the next one that's coming
lot of talking has happened. Let me sing.
Come on. Tu yu na ja rahe ho jaane wale.
Oh, wow.
I love that song. I love it.
मेरी तरह ना चाहेगा कोई जो तेनू जान बुलावेगा, बाद मेरे ना आवेगा कोई जो तेनू रोज हंसावेगा, तेनू अंजुआ दी सो मेरा इश्क ना तू खो मेरा हथ ना तू छड़ दिलदारा, तू यू ना जा रे ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले, रख याद मैनू तू ताना बुला रे, तू यू ना जा रे ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले, जान वाले, तेरे बाजो नहीं सी मेरा कोई और, यूं ना बेवजह दिल मेरा तोड़, पूछेगा जो कोई दसांगा मैं की राह विच मैनू ना रोल, हर पल मरा की मैं करा, भूल गया जीना के जीना सिखा दे, ना मैं मंगे आजा बस तू मेरे नाल, मेरे जीने दा एक तुयों चारा, तुयों ना जा रे ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले, ओ जान वाले रख याद मैनू तू ताना भुला रे तू ना जा रे ओ जान वाले ओ जान
Beautiful. So, Akhil, I've seen these videos, and of course, you know, the songs are amazing, but you've been acting in all of them as well. Complete actor. So, why are we missing this?
I think I mentioned it to you before as well. I'm somebody who, if I don't feel it, that connect, I would not want to do it just for the heck of it. And God's been kind. I started when, and I think I give my credit to my mother, who's given the beautiful feature because I'm exactly like my mother. I look exactly
Okay.
like my mom, and uh, so it's not that they feel that he's got the personality or something, or because I sing. Yes, I feel there is. I just feel one thing, that there is much more to me than just this. So I'm exploring. Like, I never knew I wanted to be a singer. I became one. I started performing. I never knew I wanted to go to Bollywood. It just happened. I never knew I could write. I started writing. People started loving what I write. I never knew I could compose. I started composing music and songs, and people are giving this so much love. So I still feel there is so much more to me. And when that right moment will come, that if I need feel like I need to act, I will act. And I don't care that I'll be 40, 50, in my 30s, whenever. But I just know that when the right time comes, I'll do the right thing, and I'll do it with my soul. That's all.
I think that's what is the, you know, the best part about you. You just connect, and that's so important, Akhil, you know. So, I think they're asking me for the next number from you. Anything.
Uh,
Anything.
okay, cool. I think I'm gonna do the song of 2019, which was the most streamed song on all the platforms across the world from India. It's Tera Ban Jaunga. The best album, Kabir Singh. It got all the beautiful songs, but Tera Ban Jaunga, I think it was the most streamed song everywhere, all throughout the world. So yeah, I'll just sing Tera Ban Jaunga for you. मेरा हक है, साथ छोड़ूंगा ना, तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, ओ तेरे नाल तकदीरा लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, ओ सौ तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगा, कीते वादे आनू बरानी माऊंगा, तुझे हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, है मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, ओ लखा तो जुदा मैं होया तेरे खातिर, तू ही मंजिल मैं तेरा मुसाफिर, रब नू भुला बैठा तेरे करके, मैं हो गया काफिर, आय 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 लखा तो जुदा मैं होया तेरे खातिर, तू ही मंजिल मैं तेरा मुसाफिर, रब नू भुला बैठा तेरे करके, मैं हो गया काफिर, तेरे लिए मैं जहां से टकराऊंगा, सब तुझको के तुझको ही पाऊंगा, पाऊंगा, दिल बन के मैं दिल धड़काऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, हो सो तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगा, कीते वादे आनो बरानी पाऊंगा, तुझे हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, ओ मेरी राह तेरे तक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है, इश्क मेरा तू बेशक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है, मैं तेरा बन जाऊं.
Awesome, awesome. So how many girls send that back to you कि मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा? How many of them send that back to you, Akhil?
13 लड़कियां, 13 13 13 13
नहीं
लड़कियां
नहीं
कहती हैं मुझे, मैं
नहीं,
13
तेरह
बन जाऊंगा.
तेरह ही है, बस 13 में नहीं, 13 में नहीं अटका, 14 या 12 करना है, 13 में नहीं अटकना.
And it's amazing. I'm glad everyone love, not just girls. It's the guys, the elderlies and the youngsters. And that's what my grandmom, when she was alive, she told me, you'll only be the superstar when people of all ages, all sexes, and all across the world, all types of people will love you. Then you're a superstar. And I think that feeling itself makes me a superstar. I don't need anybody's acknowledgement or uh, to tell me that you are this or you are not this. I know what I do to people because I do it from my pure soul, and what they feel for me. I think it's amazing, and I feel like a superstar.
Oh, you are a superstar. No two ways about that. Absolutely. I mean, there's
Yeah.
nothing else to this. Does this evoke a lot of emotion in you, music, because again, as I said, Sangeet Foundation, we just keep on harping on that, how important music is and how easily music can heal people. Do you feel, like I feel when I listen to music, rona aata hai, khushi hoti hai, so everything put together. Does that, I'm sure you feel that.
Yeah, of course. You see, if you don't feel, it's not music. That's what I personally feel. You have to feel it. So there's been, and I listen to a lot of music. I do this sort of a music. That's my zone. That's my calling. But I listen to all sort of music because you go through a lot of emotions in your life, and at that point of time, you need that different zone to keep you at calm or at peace, or to make you aggressive as well. You need sometimes it helps you make becoming aggression when you need that aggression. So I think I think I was telling you and the other panelists also when we were doing the tech check that I personally feel that if like right now, if you don't talk, the silence is also music. Like it's music. Like I personally feel I'm a musician. Okay, God has given me that duty, and it's my responsibility to carry that duty and give people that happiness and change their emotion, make them cry, make them laugh, make them change their emotion, just touch them. That's my duty, and that's what I do. But people who are not into the music, like people who cannot sing, sometimes I know people they hum in वो सुरों में ना भी गा पाए पर वो दिल से गाते हैं ना जो मेरे लिए वो गायक है मेरे लिए वो फीलिंग मैटर करती है कि वो जो दिल से जो इंसान कभी उसको पता है वो सामने बैठा है पर वो गुनगुना रहा है और बेसुरा गुनगुना रहा है पर गुनगुना रहा है वो के अंदर का जो एक बच्चा होता है वो जो एक जो चाहे वो किसी भी प्रोफेशन में हो तो आई थिंक अगर हम इस दुनिया से म्यूजिक हटा देंगे तो द यूनिवर्स दैट विल बी द एंड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स आई पर्सनली फील इफ देयर इज नो म्यूजिक देयर इज नो लाइफ so music heals, music gives life. It's something that I think, as I said, in all my birth, I want to be this guy. I want to have the same parents. I'm ready to go through all the struggles for all number of life, but I want to be the same musician.
And
you have to make me a musician, God.
Us around you as well, isn't it? People like us around you as well.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I really want to hear the last one that's come out, Galia. That's really such. It's the one that's come out.
Yeah, I'm vibing on it, and it's I got a sudden great response. People are humming it, and I don't know, there's something different about that song. That the whole sound of it, and yeah, I'll just sing, Galia.
It evokes that. It just touches you somewhere. Absolutely.
It touches that nerve of yours, which you don't know that exists also in your body. Like there's something about it.
I wrote to you after that. The आगे का गाना but I wrote to you after this. It touches someplace. Absolutely. Please.
I'll just do an acoustic version of it, though it has like the whole sound of it. But I'll just do an acoustic version of it, and I'm sure you like it.
Absolutely.
गलियां वो गलियां किथे रह गईयां, माहिया जो तेरी यार खींच लाती है, उनसे गुजरना जो मैं चाहूं भी सही, सिसकती है सांसें मेरी जान जाती है, गलियां वो गलियां किथे रह गईयां, माहिया जो तेरी यार खींच लाती है, उनसे गुजरना जो मैं चाहूं भी सही, सिसकती है सांसें मेरी जान जाती है, पास तू मेरे पास नहीं, आस जगी पर अब वो बात नहीं, मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया, याद क्यों आए मुझे तेरी गलियां, मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया, दिल क्यों दुखाए मेरा तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां, ओ बेख्याली सी है बेबसी भी लगे, नजदीकियां जो चाहूं फिर क्यों दूरियां है, सामने हूँ तेरे फिर क्यों कमी खले, बिन तेरे हर वजह क्यों मुझे बेवजह सी लगे, तड़पन भी मेरी तड़पने लगी है, तड़पन भी मेरी अब तड़पने लगी है, क्यों पास तू मेरे पास नहीं, आस जगी पर अब वो बात, मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया, याद क्यों आए मुझे तेरी गलियां, मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया, दिल क्यों दुखाए मेरा तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां, आए तेरी गलियां, हाँ तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां, वो गलियां कितना लग गईया,
God, रोंगटे खड़े हो गए अखिल. It's very it's I don't know. You know, I think I'm lost for words now. I am.
I don't know. I think it touched me also. मेरे भी हो गए. मुझे भी थोड़ा सा. I don't know. It just happens rarely to me that when I touch my own self, like it's just amazing.
It's
Thank God.
amazing.
Thank you.
You know, I mean, it's okay. I think I'm just going to let this go. I'm going to let this pass. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. I don't have words. Just what I have a question over here is that somewhere in Jesus Mary College, you once said to the students that it's okay to not have a fixed dream in mind. The key is just to believe in yourself.
Of course. I always see. As I said, a lot of people are confused. Like I feel that the younger generation, there's a lot of confusion. I personally feel they run after something which they call it's their dream, but it's not their dream. It's just the the eagerness to come at an equal level or a certain level which they see the others have achieved through some, as I said, they want to be popular
Yeah.
आप गलत गा के भी हो सकते हो, we have so many examples. पॉपुलर आप गलत काम, पॉपुलर आप किसी का खून करके भी हो सकते हो, पर
जी जी
पॉपुलर होना जरूरी नहीं है. आपको अपनी कॉलिंग, अगर आप अपने सच्चे सोल को समझ सकते हैं और आप उसके बाद मेहनत करते हैं तो फल चाहे लेट आएगा पर आएगा जरूर. एंड दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक ड्रीम्स आपके अगर चेंज हो भी गए पर आप रियल ड्रीम पहचानिए. आप शॉर्ट टर्म सक्सेस को मत अपना रियल ड्रीम मान लीजिए. That's what I always
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Is there any other singer song you sing or anything that you know which is not yours but you love singing or listening to?
Oh yeah. Can I sing a song?
Yes, please, please. I am still actually the notes
Oh,
from the last one. I am still
oh
in that
yeah.
stage.
दूर जितना भी तुमसे पास तेरे में, ओ अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में, जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा भी नहीं है. ओ अब तो जिंदा हूँ मैं इस नीले आसमां में, चाहत ऐसी है ये तेरी बढ़ती जाए, ओ आहट ऐसी है ये तेरी मुझको सताए, यादें गहरी है ये तेरी दिल डूब जाए, और आंखों में ये गुम बन जाए, देह ये जो यादें सभी जाते भुला दो उन्हें, मिटा दो उन्हें. दा, रा,
Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely. I mean, mesmerizing. You must be getting this all the time, Akhil. I'm sure
Thank
you
you.
are.
Thank
Okay, I am, as I said, you know, that Galia, that shook me. I don't know why, but it shook me. So I am going to just
Yeah,
go
it should be too.
I'm going to go into a fun space now, you know, just for 30,
Yeah,
60
yeah,
seconds.
yeah.
I'm giving you 60 seconds time to do this rapid fire with me, okay?
Yeah, cool. Let's do that.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay, first, which song are you playing on loop right now?
Galiyan. Honestly, I'm tripping on Galiyan since last 10 days, and I'm really tripping on it.
Brilliant. Who is your favorite Asian artist?
Asian artist.
Yes.
I think from my country, from my industry, I think I'm really a fan of Mithun sir. I think he's an institution itself, and I'm looking forward whenever. I think it'll be a dream come true if I sing. I met him and he wants me to sing for him, but till the time I don't sing for him, I don't know. I want to get out of that dream, so I want to sing for him. Mithun sir, of my generation, I think I really love Vishal Mishra. Fantastic musician, a blessed musician. And I think if you talk about the Asian musician, Atif Aslam definitely has done something which is there for generations to follow. So anybody who does from soul is what inspires me.
Yeah, compared to Atif Aslam quite a bit as well, aren't
Yeah,
you?
but that's okay. Like initially, for my first song, they used to, but now after that, they all know that I have my voice of my own. Yes, I do connect somewhere in some frequency of my voice. The sound definitely matches, but now it's been time that I made my own identity, and since I write my own music. I just don't sing. I write my music and I compose. So I know I have my space and I want to reach there. So yeah.
Oh, you have made an identity of your own. Okay. Would you be a composer or a singer?
Both, definitely. Any day, both.
Okay.
But yeah, composing is a lot of fun because if I don't compose, there is nothing for a singer to sing. So
Okay.
it's bigger.
What's the thing you are most afraid of?
I'm afraid of losing what I've got after so much of struggle in my life because of my family as well. So and I know God is kind. I will never lose it. वो तो अगले जन्मों में भी मुझे दे देगा ये.
Touch wood, touch wood. Who would you like to be stuck in a lift with?
In a lift with. Oh यार बहुत सारी या सारे हो सकते हैं. But no,
तीन
no
बोल दो,
comments.
two alone. Ay, come on.
Huh?
एक तो बता दो. Anyone, come on.
I said I think my Kabir Singh actress Kiara Advani.
Yeah, very pretty.
Yeah, very
Tell
pretty.
me, who is your most concerned critic?
What does that mean? My
So
concerned critic.
someone who can, who criticizes you, but means absolutely just the well, so he or she is concerned that you do well, so but is able to pick up on when you are.
There are a lot of people, but I think I'm my biggest critic. I know it. So I really don't get affected because I know I've got I've got critics more than initially. There was a time I was, pulled down a lot because I was succeeding, not because I was just trying. When I was succeeding, also people couldn't digest it. They still can't. But I think they also know the special thing, and I always so it doesn't matter to me because I've faced criticism in my initial phase of life in my career more than the love that I got, and I think the love that I have right now is bigger than anything to even cut a mountain to make way for me. Like it's
absolutely. So tell me this: if you had a class of singers in front of you, and you could teach only one thing to them, what would you teach them?
Be a nice person, be a good human being, because everything follows. Even if you can be a prime minister also, but for that you need to be a good human being. That's what if you ask me, my riyaz consists of constantly working on my music, my voice, as well as on my humanity, on my nature. And if I'm a good person, rest everything will follow. But I have to be a good person. And if I'm not a good person, if I have everything else, it will all finish off in a second.
Absolutely. I mean, I think that shows, Akhil, it just shows through you that what a wonderful person you are. Tell me this: what do you miss about being a student the most?
What do I miss about being the student the most? I think I miss my school days, and I think I miss everything. I want to be a learner. I'm a great learner because I think I've learned everything through life. I've learned everything through life. So I've not got the chance to complete my studies and all that. So I wish वो एक थोड़ा मुझे लगता है, but कोई complaints नहीं है. But हाँ मैं पढ़ना वापस चाहूँगा मुझे वो, because I think there's a still मैं बड़ा ही नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ, मैं बच्चा ही रह गया हूँ. तो वो बच्चा इसलिए रह गया क्योंकि वो कभी पढ़ाई नहीं पूरी हुई. मुझे लगता है मुझे वो कहीं ना कहीं करनी है, कुछ करना है. So I think that's the thing. I miss being that life.
There are a few people, I'm sure you know your fans very well, but there are a few people who are like your biggest fans ever, and I want to show you something. Just hold on there.
Hi Akhil, I'm Shobna ma'am. I have taught you in school and memories of your performances are still fresh in my mind. Be it acting or singing. I was very happy to hear that you have taken up singing as your career, and the songs that you have sung are really lovely. God bless you, and may you continue to do very well in life.
Do I remember Akhil? Yes, of course I do. I remember Akhil as a very vibrant student, full of life. He loved having people around him, so he always had friends along with him, and he had the smaller children behind him all the time, bhaiya, bhaiya. So he was someone who was popular in the whole school. Size was never an issue, or age was never an issue. He, along with his friends, were very active in the dramatics club. Nitin, Huma, Purnima, they put up several skits and Nukkad Natak. So performing arts was part of him already. But he actually multiple hats. He was there on the sports field, he was there in debates, he was there in the school plays that were there, and he was a good student too. So he was an all-rounder, so to say. So I will always remember him because he always had a smile on his face, was always ready to lend a helping hand. And I think it was in 2002 when he graduated that he was the head of the student council as the head boy. So truly, and for educators, it's so very gratifying to see our students do so well. So when I see him get awards and see his pictures in the newspaper, whether he remembers me or not, I do certainly remember. God bless you, Akhil. Lots of love. Thank you.
Hi, Akhil. It's a great feeling to know that you are a celebrity today. I hope you recognize me. I'm your Chandrima ma'am. You have been a brilliant student, an excellent person, and lots of leadership quality. You've always dreamed to become a singer, and I'm glad you are one today. You have won the Filmfare Award. Congratulations. And I pray to God that He may grant you all that you dream for. God bless you, my child. Bye.
Oof.
Oh God, I am getting terribly emotional right now.
Oof, yeah. I can't.
That's all. We are all listening to you now, Akhil. We are all listening to you. So you need to
ओ गलियां किथे रह गईयां माहियां जो तेरी खींच लाती है उनसे गुजरना जो मैं चाहूं भी सही सिसकती है सांसें मेरी जान जाती है पास तो मेरे पास नहीं आस जगी पर अब वो बात नहीं मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया दिल क्यों दुखाए मेरा तेरी गलियां मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया याद क्यों आए मुझे तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां
They are so happy for you, and I must tell you, you know what? They did that in 1 hour for you. I have to tell you that they did that in 1 hour, and it was back to me within the hour. So you are that special. You're so special to all of them and to the rest of India. So you should be very proud of that, Akhil. Don't get me emotional also about this.
Oh, cool, man. God bless them. God bless them. I love them. That's what I want to say. And I think I just sang for them. And had it not been them, वो confidence जो मेरी life में जो एक उस confidence का जो बीज जो वहीं से आना था वो स्कूल से आया था और बहुत समय लगा उस स्कूल में भी अपना नाम बनाने के लिए लोग मुझसे बात नहीं करते थे इनिशियली क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी नहीं आती थी और मैं एक अच्छी वेल अर्न फैमिली से नहीं था trips पे ज़्यादा नहीं जा पाता. My friends used to pay for my trip money and all. But I think I decided I wanted to do and they all helped me and here I am. Thank you. I just can't say anything else right now. Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. That's all they. I think they have been listening to you and they are there on the on the viewers and they are listening and you should just be so happy and so proud about this.
Of course I am, and I'll make them more proud all my life. Till the time is my last breath, I'll make them proud.
Bless you. I think we've gone. I mean, I'm going to bring back Joyasudha and this thing, a number on the thing. It's been such I have never done such an emotional interview, honestly. I have never done such an emotional interview. Honestly. I mean, so I'll let Joyasudha talk now. I think I've done enough.
I think that was fantastic, Akhil, and so touching, so emotional, and you sang so well, and you really proved that music does have so much impact on our emotions, on our emotional well-being, on our mental well-being, and thank you so much for that. That's all I can say. So it's been absolute pleasure having you with Sangeet Foundation here with us.
I don't know what.
And I'm so grateful for you.
I'll be honest. I just want to say one thing. I'll be honest. I never knew that I could feel this feeling that I just got when my teachers were there. I never knew. I never expected that I'll feel that moment. But it's just. I don't know what I'm feeling. It's just amazing, and I'm so glad.
I can imagine. So, and wish you all the best in your journey ahead. And
yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me.
And we'll be watching you. We'll be supporting you all the way.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much, Akhil, for joining in. We hope the surprise moved you. The teacher surprise moved you, and
that's all I remember. I think they're in front of my eyes right now. Yeah. I can see them again, all three of them together. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
No, not at all. Thank you for having me. Thank you. I'm emotional. Thank you.
Stay in touch. I know. Stay in touch. I will be texting you.
Yeah, you do that. Yeah, man. Yeah, do that. Give my love to Chandrima ma'am and everybody. Give my love.
They're all listening to you, Akhil. They're all listening to you. So
I love you guys. I don't know. I can't speak. I got my voice, which is such a buland voice, suddenly got so heavy.
I know.
I love you guys. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Indrani.
Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Take care. God bless.
God bless.
Thank you.